Hi guys, this is Pri. Welcome to our channel IELTS with Pri and Aman at IELTS Success Academy. If you are new to our channel, consider subscribing our channel and make sure to hit the like button and also share it with your friends. So in this video, we will be doing a cue card that is amongst the May to August 2024 speaking topics. We will first be doing the cue card and then the follow-up questions. So make sure you watch till the end. So I had scored band 9 in my speaking test and I wanted to share some secrets with all of you so that you can achieve the same band score in your exam. So let's look at the topic. Describe a natural place, example parks or mountains. You should say where this place is, how you knew this place, what it is like, and explain why you like to visit it. So as you all can see, there are 4 questions attached to this cue card and we need to make sure that all of these 4 questions are answered within the 2 minutes that we are given to speak. So this is a very straightforward question. You can talk about any natural place, maybe a river, maybe a lake or a park or a mountain that is already given in the question. Okay. So now let's look at a sample answer that I have created for you all. Well, natural places are areas undisturbed by human intervention and where one can discover nature's wonder and feel connected to it, which could be rivers, forests, or meadows. And today, I would like to speak about the Jim Corbett National Park, which is quite close to the popular hill station of India, Nainital, and is in the state of Uttarakhand. So as you all can see, instead of jumping directly to the first question, we have given the examiner a little bit of an introduction and also clearly communicating to the examiner what we are going to speak about today by using the phrase I would like to talk about. So intervention means interference. So those places that are free from human interference or human activities, those are natural places. Okay. Alright, so let's continue. Moreover, this park is a forested wildlife sanctuary and is famous for being home to the largest number of tigers in my country and is also known for sighting other animals including leopards and wild elephants. So if you are in India, you know about Jim Corbett National Park. It is famous for its ferocious tigers, right? People usually go there to view the massive tigers, right? So that's what we are trying to say here. Sighting means viewing, so we have used a better vocabulary word. Additionally, the best time to visit the park is during the months of May to June, as the temperatures are soaring high and it is suggested to be the ideal time for viewing the ferocious tigers in their natural habitat. So soaring means very high. Ideal time means best time. Ferocious means scary. And habitat means a place where an organism is found naturally. So it is recommended to visit the national park during May to June because they say that during summer times when the tiger comes near the water body or small lakes that are there in the forest, it is the best time to view them. That is the time when you can actually see the tigers. So that's what we are trying to say here. People usually like to go for open jeep safaris, which makes the entire experience of visiting the park quite enthralling. So, enthralling means captivating or exciting, something that catches your attention. So, we have used a better vocabulary word here as well. Furthermore, I knew about the place since my childhood as I stay only few kilometers away from the Corbett Park in Ramnagar and I used to visit the place often during my summer vacations. So Ramnagar is a place which is very close to the Jim Corbett Park. So we have answered the first 3 questions, which is where this place is, how you knew this place and what it is like. The last question, which is explain why you like to visit it, still remains. So let's answer that. Finally, I feel over the moon whenever I visit this place as it is away from the hustle and bustle of the city and gives me an opportunity to get close to Mother Nature, enjoy the lush, green, and clean environment, as well as de stress and revitalize myself. So, we have used an idiom here which is feel over the moon, which means to be very happy. And using idiomatic phrases increases our band scores for our lexical resources part later on. Hustle and bustle means from the noise of the city, and revitalize means to rejuvenate or refresh yourself. So we have used a range of good vocabulary words. It is a good idea to write down the meanings of all of these words, and next time when you're practicing speaking, you can use it in your conversation as well.
So now let's do the follow-ups for describe a natural place, example parks or mountains. The first question is what kind of people like to visit natural places? In my view, people who enjoy visiting natural places tend to be those who appreciate the beauty and the peacefulness of outdoors, have an interest in nature and wildlife, or engage in outdoor recreational activities like hiking, camping, bird watching. Bird watching is when you see different kinds of birds in a bird sanctuary or in a national park. They also seek an escape from the hustle and bustle of urban living and try to build a connection with nature. Okay, hustle and bustle, fast paced life. Second question is what are the differences between a natural place and a city? Well, I feel there are many distinctions between natural places and cities. Firstly, natural areas are dominated by vegetation, wildlife. Vegetation, there are all sorts of plants. While cities are heavily human made, consisting of buildings, roads, and infrastructure. Also, natural places tend to have a slower, more relaxed pace, while cities are often fast paced and bustling with activity. Okay. The third question is do you think that going to the park is the only way to get close to nature? No. Visiting parks is not the only way to get close to nature. One can be around nature through a number of ways, including hiking, kayaking, or rock climbing. Also, spending time in natural setting close to home, like walking, community gardens, or even backyard natural observation, are great ways to be around natural surroundings. Okay. The fourth and the last question is what can people gain from going to natural places? In my view, spending time in natural places can offer numerous benefits for people. It improves mental health and reduces stress levels from the calming effects of nature. Also, it builds a stronger connection to the environment, potentially fostering conservation mindset. Conservation mindset in this question means forest conservation. Okay, like in Uttarakhand, we had the Chipko movement. Okay, where people hugged trees to save them from cutting. Okay, so this was the follow-ups for describe a natural place. Example could be parks or mountains. I hope you enjoyed this video. Thank you, and I will see you in the next one. Bye. So, if you like this video, please make sure to hit the like and subscribe button